Alright y'all, we are continuing our 12 days of Christmas. And here on the 4th day, we are going to be making some peppermint meringue cookies. For this, we have eggs, sugar, salt, cream of tartar, some peppermint extract, and some red gel food coloring. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start by separating 4 egg whites out. And we're going to do this in a separate bowl just in case we break the yolk, and then we don't have to throw our egg whites away that we've already collected. Alright, so with our 4 egg whites, we're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We're going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Now, I'm using a stand mixer. If you don't have one, you can do this by hand. This will be a much easier task, though, if you're using a stand mixer. And we're going to mix this on a medium speed until we get soft peaks forming, about a minute or two. Alright, so once we have our soft peaks beginning to form, we're going to go ahead, continue to mix this on a medium speed, while gradually, very slowly adding in a cup of sugar. Once we have all our sugar mixed in, we're going to beat this on high for about 5 minutes until we get stiff peaks. Once we have our stiff peaks, which it's maintaining form, we're going to go ahead and add in about ½ teaspoon of our peppermint extract. Now once we get that well mixed together, we're going to go ahead. We're going to take just some of our food coloring. And not to overmix, we are just going to lightly swirl it together. If you want, you can make it all red if you want. I just want to give it a hint of red. And it'll combine a little more in the piping bag. Now our piping bag, we are using the star tip. Once we have our piping bag filled, we are going to go ahead and move over. And we lined our baking sheet with parchment paper. And we are just going to start piping out our cookies. And we're going to do them about 1 inch apart, and we're going to do about 2-inch cookies. Now we're going to put these in the oven at 200 degrees for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours until they become hard and crisped up. After that point, you want to shut off the oven, open the door, and let them cool off in the oven completely. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all, and there we have them, peppermint meringue cookies. Obviously, I've got more sitting over there. This is just my little serving tray. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video where YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.